Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add little scroll bars to help you adjust numbers in Excel. Now, the scroll bar is a form control. We have talked about form controls in a previous video about macros. So we have this quite simple spreadsheet. Here we have some products, and here we have the quantities that are available. Now, imagine that these quantities change. For example, the plates, we sold a few, so we don't have 86 sets now. We only have 82. Now, one way to do it is just click on the cell and replace the data. Or what we're about to do now is to place scroll bars in each of these cells, which will allow us very fast and easy to adjust the numbers. Now, we will go to the Developer tab, but as you see, the Developer tab is not visible right now. So what I could do is right-click somewhere in the ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. Now, these are all commands. I'm looking for a tab, so let's choose from here, All tabs, and here is the Developer tab. Click on it, Add, and OK. And here it is, the Developer tab. Now we are going to find our scroll bar from the Controls group. By clicking on Insert, a bunch of form controls pop up. We want to work with this one here, a scroll bar form control. Click on it, and now you see my cursor has turned into a little plus sign, which means I am ready to draw my scroll bar. So, okay, there is my scroll bar. Now what I need to do is link this scroll bar to this particular cell. First, let's do something. Let's align these to the right. Okay. Now, let's right-click so we can edit our scroll bar. Let's make it a bit longer. Okay, now by right-clicking and choosing Format this control, I can format my scroll bar. Now, this is a very important stage. I can set the minimum value, which is now at 0, the maximum value, which is at 100. Let's change 100 and make it 300. Now, this one here is very important, cell link. So this scroll bar will be linked to this particular cell. I can do that by clicking on this little arrow and selecting the cell. And let's go back by clicking on this icon. Okay, now the scroll bar right here is connected to cell D5. Now I can adjust incremental change. Do I want my numbers to change by 1, 2, 3? No, I will keep it at 1. And let's click on OK. Click away, and my scroll bar is now ready for use. Let's test it. I could, when I see the hand, I could click and drag to increase or decrease, but I could also use the arrows on the left and right, which would increase the value by 1 each time. You see, it increases and decreases by 1. Now, I would like to have the exact same scroll bar in all of these cells. I could just right-click on it and copy it. Now, I could paste it. I would like one here and another here and paste. Okay, so now all of my cells have the same scroll bar. And you'd think that, okay, I'm all set up. That was easy. Let's test the second scroll bar. What is happening? That's the wrong cell. So we have forgotten a step. We have forgotten to link each scroll bar to the cell. So let's right-click on the second scroll bar, choose Format Control, and link it to the correct cell. So this will be linked to this cell. Okay, and continue with the rest. Right-click, Format Control, and link to the correct cell. Okay, click away, and I have now linked each scroll bar to their cell. Now let's test again. Okay, or by scrolling this little bar, I can adjust my figures. And yes, they're corresponding cells. So you see how scroll bars can be quite useful and an easy way to adjust your numbers in an Excel spreadsheet. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.